What if I told you that you can start making money online just by typing without a computer? All you need is a mobile phone and you can start making $75 per hour. And then when you type for 2 hours, you're going to be earning $150. And when you do 3 hours of typing, you can earn up to $300. I'm going to show you a few websites that's going to be doing that for you right now. So if you want to get ahead and do that, make sure you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You're going to be able to join from anywhere in the world. Registration is 100% free. You're not going to have to spend any money, pay for any hidden fees. I'm going to be talking about all of the steps properly, and I'm going to show you how exactly you're going to apply for the job. And in the end of this video, I'm going to even give you guys a special bonus, so you have to watch until the very end to know and how to earn twice more money compared to all of the other people. So make sure you stay until the end, and let's jump right into it. So the first thing I want you to do is to go on typingtest.com. Okay, basically this is the website. I'm going to show you that you're going to be able to do a 60-second typing test here. Okay, just 1 minute. You're going to complete the test, and it's going to help you earn twice more money, thrice more money than other people. So basically, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to see that in the website that we're going to be talking about, you're going to be able to earn $1.25 per minute. Okay, every minute you're going to be earning $1. So when we go on to calculate that, $1.25 in a minute means that in just 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, you're going to be able to earn about $75 just for 1 hour of work by simply typing on your phone. Now that is amazing. So before we get into the websites, the first thing I told you to do was to go on to typing test. So this is where you're going to be able to take a typing test. You're going to click on typing test. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to complete a 60-second test. So right now, I'm going to show you a real example how you're going to do this. You're going to choose on 1 minute test. You're going to click on this, and it's going to then show you a bunch of sentences. From there, you're going to start typing basically, and when you do start, it's going to start a 1 minute timer, a 60-second timer, and then you're going to start typing, and the countdown is going to start, and then it's going to basically show you how much words you can type in a minute, how many errors, how accurate, if you have any typing mistakes, again. So that's basically it, right? You start the typing test, and you're going to see your average speed and all of that. Again, this is free. You can do this from anywhere around the world. So now that you have already whatever it is your results are, you're going to have to keep this because you are going to need this later on, okay? The thing is that you need to have an average about 50 words per minute. So once you complete the test, if you don't have at least 50 words per minute, you're going to have to retake the test and make sure that you have at least 50 words per minute, okay? And then that's how you know you're going to be able to get accepted into the websites that I'm going to be showing you guys. So just repeat and repeat it until you achieve those 50 words per minute. And that's actually going to give you even more money compared to the other people, and you're going to get accepted right away in the websites that I am going to be showing you, okay? So one thing also that you can check on this website is that they offer free training courses to help you guys get better at typing, to boost your typing speed. There are so many lessons, so many classes that help you improve your typing speed. So once you've completed your typing test, okay, and you've explored the entire page, we can go on to the website where you can start applying for your job. So I'm going to let you go to transcribeme.com, okay, and I want you to click on this button that says join as a transcriptionist, and you're gonna see here that you can become a paid transcriptionist today and start getting paid. It's very easy. Now when you scroll down below, okay, you're gonna see their top rated best work from home websites. They've been recommended by a lot of big companies. They're 100% legit and credible, and you can go down, find some more information about these jobs and the opportunities that there are here as well. And obviously you can start earning $15 to $22 per audio hour, and the top monthly earnings is over $2,000 if you work for 5 hours a day. Now, before we go on any further, I want you guys to check out the description box down below. If you want to earn more money online, make sure you check the description box down below. Click on the links that we have created for you guys and use those links to the best that you possibly can, because you're going to be able to make some more money using that. And I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us, in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us know what devices you use as well. Are you an Android or an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. So, like I said, if you work for 5 hours a day and you're going to be able to earn every single hour, you're going to be able to earn $22, which means in just a day you're going to be earning over $100 just with one website. Again, you have to watch it till the very end so you don't miss anything. Again, this is transcribeme.com. You can also get free training here as well, but you don't need any previous experience or skills. You don't need any payment whatsoever. It's flexible. Okay. Now, again, if you want to get started, you're going to click on the Get Started button right here. You're going to create a new account. When you scroll down, you're going to find this form. You're just going to enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and then they're going to pay you some money into your PayPal account, and you can just enter your PayPal email address there into the box. And for the country, you're going to see there's so many countries, so you don't even have to worry. And then you're going to put in your state, your region, your time zone, your preferred notification language. You can choose from any of the languages. I'm just going to choose on English, your gender, and then your employment status or your employment. And then you can just choose transcriptionist, obviously. And then that's pretty much it. You're just going to finish it up and you can finally sign up for a free account on Transcribe Me in the second website. If you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our videos so far, and if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment that down below too, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's continue. It's called Rev.com. Now, on this website, you're going to be able to become a transcriptionist for every single minute. You're going to be earning $1.25. Like I told you, again, that's $75 just with an hour of work. Now, you're going to look for the Become a Freelancer button. Then you're going to click on this again. And obviously, you have a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of different jobs that you like. You can do as much or as little as you want. You're going to get paid every single week into your PayPal account. And once you've completed your typing job, again, you're going to go down below and you're going to look for the job, which is transcriptionist, and then you're going to click on this button to learn more. So remember the bonus tip that I had showed you and talked to you guys about, okay? It's typingtest.com and obviously rev.com, and I know you guys don't want to miss that, so make sure that you really put in the good and the hard work into this. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love it, because if you guys are not going to get into it, then you're just gonna lose such an amazing opportunity. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.